Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy event of the week. Each week our staff of analysts and educators tries to provide you a better understanding of a major market event scheduled soon and that will have an effect on the global markets. While David Cameron has said that a referendum on Britain's membership of the European Union will take place by 2017, it seems increasingly likely that the referendum will now be held in the summer of 2016. His manifesto pledge to get a better deal for Britain has led to a number of proposals, including an emergency brake on migrants' access to benefits and a recognition that the UK is not committed to further political integration into the EU. The EU referendum debate is heating up as a draft deal for Britain's negotiated position in the EU has been announced. As renegotiations for a better deal for Britain inside the European Union are coming to a conclusion, the Remain and Leave campaigns are lining up in preparation for the crucial vote. In early 2015, the chances of Brexit, Britain departing from the European Union, seemed remote. Today, largely because of Europe's migration crisis and the interminable euro mess, the polls have narrowed. Some recent surveys even find a majority of Britons wanting to leave. A cabinet minister is reportedly set to break ranks and come out in favour of Britain leaving the European Union within minutes of the Prime Minister announcing a deal with Brussels. Were they to do so, that would defy David Cameron's decision that ministers had to abide by the collective responsibility until it was officially lifted at a cabinet meeting after the talks. Recently, the PM pledged, hand on heart, that he had achieved the renegotiations goal set out in his manifesto, but there are in fact substantial shortfalls, notably a failure to totally ban EU migrants from claiming in-work benefits for 4 years. The Conservatives have pledged to hold an EU referendum before the end of 2017 following the renegotiations, which were hoped to shore up support for the UK remaining in Europe. Whatever the outcome of discussions Mr Cameron has with the European Council, whatever the arguments of anti-EU parties, whatever the support of pro-EU parties, the UK referendum will be a major failure. Not just for the UK, it will be a major failure for all of Europe. It will be a major failure for all candidate states and Norway, Switzerland, Liechtenstein and Iceland. The world would be a more dangerous place if Britain voted to leave the European Union, David Cameron has claimed as he travelled to Germany in a final effort to enlist the backing of Angela Merkel for his renegotiation demands. In a speech in Hamburg, Mr Cameron said it was vital to keep Britain in a reformed EU, to face down dangerous and murderous ideologies and stand up for democracy and the rule of law.